Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, welcome back to our online English class. Okay. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter in grammar. Okay. So, what is the name of the chapter? Adjectives. Okay. Or describing words. Okay. So, adjectives are nothing but they are words. Okay. That describes more about the nouns. Okay, so these describing words describes about the noun. Okay, that describes the noun more. Okay, so for example, look at the sentence. Hema is very pretty. Okay, Hema is very pretty. So the word pretty describes the noun Hema, how she is. Right? How she is very pretty. So adjectives are the words that describe the noun. Okay, that how it is, how she is, or how he is. Okay, that words are called adjectives. Okay, another example, candy is very sweet. Candy is very sweet. So, the word sweet describe the noun candy. Right? How the candy is? It is very sweet. Okay? So, the word sweet is the adjective. Okay? Because it describes the noun candy. Okay, children? So look at the following pictures and read the sentences given below each picture. Okay. So look at the first picture. Ramu is a fat man. Ramu is a fat man. So the word fat is the adjective because it describes the noun. How he is? He is fat. He is fat. So the fat is the adjective. Okay. And the man is noun. Okay. And look at the second picture. Rose. Right. So look at the sentence. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. So the word beautiful describes the rose. Right? How the rose is? The rose is very beautiful. So the beautiful is the adjective describing word. Okay? And look at the third picture. Jay has a sharp pencil. Jay has a sharp pencil. So how does the pencil is? The pencil is very sharp, right? So it describes the word sharp describe the noun pencil. How it is? How the pencil is? It is sharp. Okay, so the pencil is noun and sharp is adjective. Okay, describe because the word sharp describe the pencil. Right? How the pencil is? The pencil is sharp. Okay. Fourth one, the sun is bright. The sun is bright. So how the sun is? The sun is bright. So the word bright describes the sun, how it is. Right? So the word bright is adjective and the word sun is noun. Okay? And look at the fifth picture. Somesh has two kites. Somesh has two kites. So how many kites he has? How many kites he has? He has 2 kites. So how many kites? 2 kites, right? So the word 2 describe the kite. So how many kites he has? Okay, so the word 2 is adjective and kites, the word kites is the noun. Okay, and look at the 6th picture. This box is heavy. This box is heavy. How the box is? The box is heavy. So the word heavy describes the box, right? So the word heavy is adjective and the word box is noun. Okay. So the circled words fat, beautiful, sharp, bright, two and heavy are describing words. They describe the nouns which are underlined. So they are known as describing words or adjectives. Okay. Addition to that nouns. Okay. So fat, the word fat describes the noun man. How the man is? How the man is? He is very fat. Okay, and the word beautiful describes the noun flower. How the flower is? The flower is beautiful. So the word beautiful is adjective. Okay, and the word sharp describes the noun pencil. How the pencil is? The pencil is sharp. So the word sharp describes the noun pencil. Okay. And bright describes the noun sun. How the sun is? The sun shines bright. Okay. And 2 describes the noun kites. So how many kites he has? How many kites? 2 kites, right? So the word 2 is the adjective and the word kites is noun. Okay. And heavy describes the noun box. Okay. So adjectives are describing words. We can place an adjective before the noun. Okay, we can place the adjective before the noun. Okay. So some examples they have given. I cannot eat the raw mango. I cannot eat the raw mango. How the mango is? It is raw. So the word raw is the adjective. And the word mango is noun. So we can place adjective before noun. Okay, before the noun. And second sentence, Seema is a thin girl. Seema is a thin girl. So how the girl is? She is thin. So the word thin describes the girl, right? So thin is an adjective and the word girl is the noun. Okay. And third sentence, I love my pink dress. I love my pink dress. So the word pink describe the noun dress, right? How the dress is. The dress is in pink color. Okay. So the word pink is an adjective and the word dress is the noun. Okay. And the fourth sentence, Somu is an honest boy. Somu is an honest boy. So how the boy is? He is honest. So the boy is the noun, and honest, the word honest is an adjective. Okay, because the word honest describes the noun boy. Describes the noun boy. So honest is an adjective and boy is the noun. Okay. So here the adjectives are raw, thin, pink and honest are placed before the nouns mango, girl, dress and boy. So we can place an adjective before the noun. Okay, like honest boy, pink dress, thin girl, intelligent boy. Okay, so like that we can add an adjective before the noun. Okay, beautiful flower, sweet candy. So like that. Okay, and we can place an adjective after the noun also. So for that also they have given some examples. Okay, my mother is pretty. My mother is pretty. So how the mother is? Mother is pretty. So the word pretty describes the noun mother. So the word pretty is an adjective. And the word mother is the noun. So in this sentence, the adjective is written after the noun. So we can even write an adjective after the noun also. Okay. And look at the second sentence. This ball is round. This ball is round. How the ball is? The ball is round. So the word round describes the noun ball, how it is. Right? So the word round is an adjective and the word ball is the noun. So in this sentence also, adjective is written after the noun. Okay. And look at the third sentence. The iron bar is heavy. The iron bar is heavy. So how it is? It is heavy. So the word heavy describes the noun iron bar. How it is? It is heavy. So heavy is an adjective. And the word iron bar is the noun. So in this sentence also, adjective is written after the noun. Okay. And fourth sentence, Saroj is tall and thin. Saroj is tall and thin. So how he is? He is tall and thin. So in this sentence, two adjectives are there. Right? Tall and thin. How he is? He is tall as well as thin. So in this sentence, two adjectives are there. Right? And Saroj is the noun. So in this sentence also, adjectives are written after the noun. Okay. So we can write adjectives after the noun. Okay. So here the adjectives pretty, round, heavy, tall and thin are placed after the nouns mother, ball, iron bar and Saroj. Okay. So based on this we are going to do some activity. Okay. So read the sentences, then write the adjectives and the nouns describe in the columns given below. Okay, so read the sentences. We are going to read the sentences and we are going to write the adjectives and nouns separately from the sentence. Okay, so we have to write the adjectives here and nouns here. Okay, so shall we read the first sentence? Yes. First sentence is Lata has a pretty doll. Lata has a pretty doll. So the word pretty describes the noun doll. So how the doll is? It is pretty. Okay, how the doll is? It is pretty. So the word pretty describes the noun the doll. Okay, so the word pretty describes the noun doll and it does not describe the noun Lata. Okay, she has a pretty doll. So the word pretty describes the noun doll. Okay, so pretty is an adjective and doll is the noun. Pretty is an adjective because it describes how the doll is, right? How the doll is, it is pretty. Okay, so we have to write in this adjectives columns, we have to write pretty. Okay, what is the noun? Doll, right? So write doll here. Okay, so shall we read the second sentence? Yes. The old man is walking with the stick. The old man is walking with the stick. So in this sentence, which word is an adjective and which one is noun? Can you identify? Yes? Okay, so the word bold. The word bold describes the noun man, right? So how the man is? He is old. He is old. So the word old is an adjective. Okay, the word old is an adjective and the word man is the noun. Okay, because it describes the word man, how the man is. He is old. Okay, so we have to write old is the adjective and man is the noun. Okay, and look at the third sentence. I have a blue bag. I have a blue bag. So which one is adjective? So how the bag is? It is blue color. So the word blue describes the noun bag. So what color the bag is, right? So blue is an adjective and bag is the noun. Okay, so third we have to write blue and the noun is bag. Okay, blue bag. Okay, and look at the fourth sentence. This is an empty glass. This is an empty glass. So which one is noun here? Glass, right? Then how the glass is? It is empty. It is empty. So the word empty describes the noun glass. So empty is an adjective. Okay, empty is an adjective and the word glass is the noun. Okay, so shall we write? So in fourth column, so adjective is empty and the noun is glass. Okay, empty glass. And look at the fifth sentence. The cunning fox killed the goat. The cunning fox killed the goat. Okay, so which one is adjective here? Cunning, right? The word cunning describes the noun fox. So how the fox is? It is cunning, right? The word cunning describes the noun fox. So the word cunning is an adjective and the noun is fox. Okay, so in the fifth column we have to write adjective is cunning, right? Cunning. And the noun is fox. Okay, noun is fox. Okay, so the next one, circle the adjectives in the following sentences. So we are going to identify the adjectives and we have to circle the adjectives in each sentence. Okay, so look at the first sentence. The rabbit is a small animal. The rabbit is a small animal. So how the animal is? It is small. It is small. So the word small is an adjective. Okay, the word small is an adjective. Okay, so adjectives are nothing but they describes the noun. Okay, and look at the second sentence. A school should have a large playground. A school should have a large playground. So how the playground should be? It should be large. How the playground should be? It should be large. So the word large describes the noun playground. So the word large is an adjective. So we have circled adjective large. Okay. And look at the third sentence. Honey is sweet. Honey is sweet. How the honey is? It is sweet. So the word sweet describes the noun honey. How it is? How it is? It is sweet. So the word sweet is an adjective. Okay. So we have to circle the word sweet. Okay children, is it clear? Have you all understood? Okay. So fourth sentence. My mother is very kind. My mother is very kind. So how the mother is? She is very kind. She is very kind. So the word kind describes more about the noun mother, right? So the word kind is an adjective. So we have circled the word kind. Is it clear children? Have you all understood? Yes? Okay. So the fifth sentence. Deepthi bought a green ribbon. Deepthi bought a green ribbon. So which one is adjective? First, which one is the noun? Two nouns are there, Deepthi and ribbon. And which word describe which noun? So the word green describes the noun ribbon, right? So how the ribbon is? It is in green color. It is in green color. So the word green is an adjective. So we have circled the word green. And the noun is ribbon. Okay, because the word green describes the ribbon, how it is. Right? It is an green color. Okay. So the remaining sentences, it is homework for you. Okay, homework. So you can identify the adjectives and you have to circle the adjectives. Okay children, it is very easy only. Okay, so have you all understood? Yes, so adjectives is nothing but it describes the noun. Okay, how it is, or how he is, how the man is, how she is. Okay, so in the remaining sentences you have to identify the adjectives and you have to circle the adjectives. Okay children, so next one, complete the blanks by supplying suitable nouns to the following adjectives. Okay, so they have given adjectives and we are going to complete that sentence, complete the blanks using suitable nouns. Okay, shall we? Yes. Okay, so first one, look at the first word, first adjective. Okay, first one is ugly. So the adjective is ugly. So we are going to write the suitable noun for the adjective ugly. So what we can write, which noun we can write? Think. Ugly. Duckling. Yes, ugly duckling. Shall we write that word? Duckling. Yes, so ugly duckling. Okay, and then look at the next word, second word, nice. The adjective is nice. So which noun can be written here? Nice. Nice dress. Yes, nice dress. So D-R-E-S-S. So the word nice describes the noun dress. How it is? It is nice. Okay. And the third one, cute. Cute. So we have to write the suitable noun for the adjective cute. So what we can write? Cute baby. Yes, cute baby. So baby is the noun. So the word cute describes the noun baby. How the baby is. The baby is cute. Okay. And the fourth word is sweet. So sweet, sweet candy, sweet cake. Right? So like that we can write. So shall we write cake? So sweet cake. So how the cake is? It is sweet. Okay. And fifth one, kind. Kind. So we can write kind man or kind woman. Right? So shall we write kind man? Okay. So the word kind describes the noun man. So how the man is? He is very kind. Okay. The last one is brown. So we can write brown bag. Yes. So bag. Brown bag. So the word brown describes the noun bag. How the bag is. It is in brown color. Okay, children. So you can copy down all these things in your grammar PDFs. Okay, children, printouts. Okay. So the remaining we will learn in the next class. Okay. So study well. Thank you.